Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a day in the life of a reseller. So I put this to-do list together and I'd really like to knock off a few things on this list. I don't expect to get all of this done, it's a lot, but these are just things that I'd really like to get done. And I just figured I'd turn on my camera and take you guys along. I've done these videos before in the past and I really enjoyed making them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so it's a little bit later. I was on a three-way call with my sisters. We were talking about very heavy things this morning, like politics and religion. I don't know. That's how I guess we like to start the day. But I am going to vacuum. I took all the chairs out. Okay, I can't believe I'm gonna show you guys this, but I have such a messy kitchen right now. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna clean this. It'll probably take me like 15 minutes if I can just hunker down and clean. So let's get this done. Ah yes, the kitchen. Also known as the land of mysterious crumbs and dishes that multiply when no one's looking. Okay, so much better. Oh my goodness. Oh, I feel so much better about that being clean. So now I'm gonna mop some of this floor. I'm sweating. Okay, floors are mopped. I'm gonna wipe down this table, polish it up, and put the chairs back, and then I think we're good in this room for now. Okay, this is the other side. I wanna clean this up. There's so much like salt at the doorstep. Oh, this room isn't as bad, but it just needs to be straightened up a bit. Ah, some clean towels that never made it to the bathroom closet. All right. Oh, I'm dead. This is a lot better. Is it perfect? No, but I'm happy. Oh, I'm sweating. I need to take a break. I need to eat something. I haven't eaten yet. And then I want to go upstairs and do my Poshmark stuff, like my steaming. I want to get some listings done and just see what's going on upstairs and get that a little bit more under control. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. We have like no food right now because we were in Florida for 2 weeks, and that's why grocery shopping is on the list. I had so much inventory that needed to be put away in the bins, and it just feels so good to have everything up off the floor. My dad came over because he was fixing my pipes while I was in Florida, and he had to repair the wall. Okay, I am gonna put some items in this bin to take to Plato's closet. So I'm just folding them Okay, it's nothing crazy in here. It's kind of a lot of tank tops and summer items, which I'm thinking that's what they're looking for the spring. We'll see. So I'm gonna put this in a bin and then we're gonna head over there. Hey guys, okay, we are heading out to Plato's Closet. Hubby's driving me again because he's so cute. And then we're gonna stop at, while they're going through those items, we're gonna stop at the Goodwill. It's just like right next to it and see what they have there. So yeah, there's the box. Hopefully they take some. If I get $20, I'll just be the happiest girl. Okay, I was gonna go to the Goodwill across the street, but guys, I ended up finding a lot of good things at the Platos. I was just kind of like looking for a second, and I first found these Lululemon track pants. They're a newer style, so I picked these up. I'm probably gonna list these for around $75. Okay, I also found this ditzy, cute, floral, Free People dress. It also had a clearance sticker, and it was in my size, so I'm gonna wear this for a little bit before I sell it. Okay, score, I found this new with tag black halo dress. It has these adorable puff sleeves. I'm thinking I can list this for over $150. I am so excited. Okay, I found these Free People Movement track pants, and it's so funny, guys, because I'm actually wearing these in the store, but in a different color. I'm obsessed with these. They're called the Fly By Night pants, and they're in my size, so I think I'm gonna keep them for myself. Okay, I found these Aritzia faux leather pants. These I think retailed for around $148. I'm gonna list these probably around $50, $60, I'm thinking. My husband found both of these quarter zip Bonobo sweaters in the men's section, and I looked up comps because I was really wanting to pick them up, but they were only going for like $30, $35, so I passed. Okay, Abercrombie & Fitch pants are doing so well. These are a cotton and linen blend, and they're also like a cargo style wide leg. So I did pick these up. I'm thinking I can list these for around $40, $50. Okay, I was thinking about getting these Good American track pants, but they were only reselling for like $30, something like that. So I did pass on these, but I thought they were cute. Okay, I found this rack of matching sets, and I have this naked wardrobe. It's like a skirt and then a crop top. I've never sold this brand, but I'm gonna try it out. Hey guys, okay, so we're leaving Plato's Closet, and it was definitely a success. They ended up taking 8 items from that box, and they were giving me the trade-in credit of $28.52. So I ended up buying 7 items, which are all really good items, and they also gave me 10% off today because they were doing a special today where if they bought things from you, then you'd get 10% off your purchase. So I ended up paying, after the credit and after the 10% off, $53.48 for the 7 items. Okay, so the $53.48 divided by the 7 items that I got, it turned out to be about $7.64 an item, which is a great price for those items. Those pieces were just so good. I'm so excited. I'll definitely be able to make a profit off of them. So definitely a success. Me and my husband are going we're going to a Mexican restaurant for lunch because we're hungry, and I'm getting tired because I had a long day. It's about 3:09 right now, so that's what we're gonna do next. Hey guys, okay, so we ended up eating at that Mexican restaurant, and then I kind of laid on the couch for a second, and then I took a shower because I was so cold. It's like freezing here. You know when you get so cold, it's like your bones are cold and you just cannot get warm unless like you take a hot shower. That's how I felt. So I took a hot shower, and then now I wanted to hang up my Platos items, and then I want to take some photos. I have some steaming that needs done. Like, oh my god, I have all of these like super wrinkled, look how wrinkled this is. Or like these items, I've showed them before, but they're made of like 100% rayon, so they just are so wrinkled. This is 100% silk. Everything is just, you know, it just needs a steaming. So I have a steaming pile over here. I was gonna go to the bins today, but you know, I felt like I found good enough items at Plato's. I'm gonna wash these first because I'm gonna wear these for a little bit. These are those Free People movement pants because I really like these. I actually have them in 2 different colors. So I thought that was funny that I found them in my size in a different color. So I'm gonna wash these and wear them for a while, and then I'll sell them. I feel bad for whoever like went to Plato's and sold this new with tag black halo dress to them, and I mean they must not have received like anything from them because they sold it for only $12. I just feel so bad that somebody would take that amount for this dress. This is another one. I think I'm gonna wear it. This Free People dress because it was in my size. I don't even know if it'll look cute on me, but I'm gonna try it on and see if I'll like it because it says size medium and it's just kind of like an easy dress. So I'll wash that as well. Okay, I got everything hanged up, so now I'm gonna take some photos of things that I just like already have drafted, that kind of thing, and get some listings done. So that's my plan. To go to my parents for dinner at 5:40. We'll probably leave here to get there at 6. Okay, I did 4 new listings today so far. I can probably do a few more. Okay, so I got some things listed. I got so much done today. I'm like really proud of myself. I'm gonna sit down and hang out on the couch for a little bit until we have to leave to go to my parents' house. My dad's making a big dinner. We're gonna play Trivial Pursuit. My cousin's coming over, so it'll be really nice. I'm excited just to kind of relax and hang out with the fam the rest of the night. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure to give the video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of thrifting content, that kind of thing. Today's video is a little bit different, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!